What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how can you create a zip file on your laptop. It's pretty much easy and simple. I will show you that, so you need to follow my step. So let's get start our video. And guys, before starting our video I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all you need a software that name is OneRAR. So just you can open any kind of browser like that. I open Chrome browser, and after open your browser then go to search bar and type one WinRAR. There you can see the name WinRAR. WinRAR for understand, and there you can see WinRAR, and you need to open first link. There you can see www.winrar.com. so just open it. Okay, after open it then go to download option on the down, and there you can see an option WinRAR 64-bit English. You need to install it. There you can see it's downloading. There you can see only 3 MB, but I don't need to download it because I already downloaded this software and already installed on my laptop. So now you need to find out this WinRAR application. So I go to Windows icon, and then there you can see option WinRAR. It's already installed, don't need to open it. And now you can select, now guys you can select your file. You can select your file which one you want to make, or which one you want to make for zip file. You need to just select. I select this 2 or 3. I select this 3 file for making zip file. So after select it, then press on the right mouse, and after that you get the option add to archive option. Just go to add to archive. Okay, now you can select your name. You can name it subscribe my channel. I select my file name, subscribe my channel, and then you need to select zip. There you can see option zip. Just select it. That's it. You don't need to anything. And if you want to select password, just tap on set password. Then you can set your password for here. But if you don't need, no need to set your password. Then just press OK. Then there you can see this is your zip file. There you can see subscribe my channel zip file. So guys, you can open it. There you can see JavaScript, final assignment. There you can see your zip file. So guys, in this way you can make a zip file very easily. I hope you can understand. And if you get benefited from watching my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this.